Are you a YouTuber or something?
I'm something. I'm not YouTuber, but I'm something.
I'm not YouTuber, but I'm something.
No, you are YouTuber. Wait, a TikToker? I don't know. I've seen you somewhere.
You saw me somewhere? Really?
Maybe
Where?
on YouTube.
Oh, YouTube?
Maybe.
No?
Maybe.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What are you? A gamer or
What am I?
content
What am
creator?
I?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, what am I?
What
I'm
am
a
I? I'm a
person?
I'm a
Content creator.
Content creator, yes.
content creator.
exactly.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, sorry, I can't remember, but yeah, I've seen some.
Yeah.
I like your,
Yeah,
I'm on YouTube.
yeah,
I'm on
videos.
YouTube.
I'm on YouTube. I'm on YouTube.
I like your video.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Appreciate
Thank
that.
you so much. Appreciate that.
Appreciate
I want to start YouTube soon.
Hey, you
I-
have to.
Hey,
you have to start. You know.
You have to start. You know. You know what I mean?
I want to start because I sing. I'm a singer.
Are you a singer?
I used to be. I used to be singer, but I'm an architect now. But yeah, I want to start YouTube.
The contrast
The contrast
from singer
from singer
to an architect.
to an architect.
Opposite. Yeah.
Like, seriously, literally.
That's why
Literally,
I'm.
you know, yeah.
That's why I'm learning. I'm trying to learn English.
I see.
I see.
Yeah, I love architecture.
Yeah,
as
I love
well.
architecture as well.
And I would love to be an
thank you.
I would
architect.
love
Maybe
to be an architect.
I don't
Maybe
know.
in,
I will study in Turkey.
I will study in
like architect,
Turkey, like
maybe.
architect, maybe.
I don't know.
I don't know.
So yeah,
Where do you live?
Indonesia
Turkey?
right now.
Indonesia right now.
Ah, you're Indonesian, right?
Yeah.
I am. Yeah.
Do you study?
Not
Or
really.
work?
Not
I just,
really.
You know,
I just
stream.
stream.
Yeah.
As a
Yeah.
job. Yeah.
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 Oh, I invite you. I want to be YouTuber too.
Hey, start. You know, you
Start.
should.
I will
It's now
start
or
soon.
never.
I'm practicing now.
Okay. You have to.
You have.
Just start. You know.
And,
Yeah.
yeah.
Keep doing it.
Keep doing it.
Thank you. Thank you for encouraging.
Yeah. No worries.
Okay.
I hope you'll
Yeah.
be
I hope you'll be
a great YouTuber.
great
And
YouTuber.
a great
and
architect.
a great architect.
Thank you so
No
much.
worries,
I
no
hope
worries.
you will be very famous soon. I mean, you are already famous, I think.
Hey.
Hey, thank you.
So are you
Thank you so
streaming
much.
now
Thank
or
you so
no?
much.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Are you
streaming now.
streaming?
Yeah, I'm streaming now. Yeah.
No, oh my god.
Yeah.
Do you want to say hi?
Do you want to say hi?
Okay, hi, hello.
Thank you so much.
Okay, no problem.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Julie.
Julie?
Julie?
Julie.
Wait, when's your birthday?
Wait, when's your birthday?
11th March, 1999.
But why?
Yeah,
Your name
Why-
is Julie.
Your name
I
is
thought July, you know.
July, you know.
Ah.
Yeah, I was born in July.
Yeah, I was
Well,
born in
yeah,
July
that's
as well.
correlation,
that's
you know what I mean?
Correlation, you know what I mean?
So,
Oh, so you're. I'm sorry, my English is not that good.
what are you talking about? Come on.
What are you talking about? Come on.
I'm trying to wait.
English is pretty good.
You were born in July. So what's your
Zodiac sign?
wait? Oh, okay, yeah, zodiac sign.
Leo.
My sister is Leo too.
Oh, say hi to her.